When we think about youth voice, we often think about providing the opportunities and supports to cultivate young people speaking, whether they're speaking in words, through creativity, or the like. In this session, we're going to not only look at youth voice through that lens, but we're going to look at youth voice as practitioners to learn how to better listen to the voices of young people that are already being elevated and amplified through their own manner of speaking. To fully understand and appreciate youth voice is not only providing the space for them to speak, but it's also providing the skills necessary for us to hear what is already being said. This is the formula for a collective knowledge session on December 9th, focusing on youth voice. Join me, Timothy Jones, and A Post, and a group of other brilliant youth development professionals for this collective knowledge session, December 9th, Youth Voice. You have the choice to use your voice to elevate the voices of your young people. Hope to see you there. Have a wonderful day.